Using the wrong toilet paper or flushing wipes can quickly clog a tiny house septic system and macerator pump. Choose rapidly dissolving septic-safe toilet paper and make it the only paper available in the bathroom. If possible, buy rolls labeled for septic systems and test a single sheet in water to see how fast it breaks down. You want fibers to fall apart in less than 30 seconds. Never rely on so-called flushable wipes. They do not disintegrate like paper and will bind with fibers and grease to form blockages. Train everyone who uses the bathroom with a clear, short list of allowed products and post it near the toilet so guests do not guess. Keep a covered waste bin for non-flushable items and empty it regularly into your household trash to prevent odors. If you cannot avoid people flushing solids, upgrade to Macerator-compatible solids handling equipment designed for dense loads and follow the manufacturer maintenance schedule to prevent buildup. 3 common problems are persistent, slow drains from accumulated fibrous clogs, macerator motor overload from dense wet wipes and mixed solids, and odors from improperly sealed waste bins, leading occupants to flush inappropriate items. For slow drains, perform a manual inspection and remove fiber bundles, then switch immediately to truly dissolving toilet paper and begin weekly gentle maintenance rinses with warm water only. For motor overload, reduce load by banning all wipes, install a larger capacity macerator if the usage pattern requires it, and schedule a professional service every 6 to 12 months depending on occupancy. For odor issues, use a tight-lid waste bin with liner, empty it daily if necessary, and add a small baking soda packet to neutralize smells instead of flushing scented products. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and resources for tiny house septic and macerator systems, and we connect contractors with homeowners looking for work. We also host a discussion community so owners and pros can share real-world tips, product tests, and maintenance routines with each other.